Yo, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we hear it fully bad Murda, Murda Goliath. DEMARCO this. So you know, said DEMARCO and fully bad got it. And fully shoot first, then DEMARCO, then fully. In the last reaction video of DEMARCO, me say DEMARCO and genocide, which is massacre, never clash. Them never clash. Like me no class one little answer in a one song or a clash. No, me no clash. It have to be a full on clash like how these two got it. Yeah. That's my thing. So I don't think, me personally, I wouldn't say them didn't have a clash. You see me? No, nobody don't know about a clash there. Like that. Come on. That's not a clash. Anyway, we there. Bomba clot. We just see the cover art. Wait. Hold on. We are going to this one. Wait a minute. No. Wait a minute. I want that screen. Sorry to cut your reaction video, but this video is to promote what I'm doing this month. So this month is November, my month, Scorpio month. I am doing special price for promotion. So young artists out there that need promotion for their songs, to put their songs on the platform, reach out, link me on my DM. Link is in the description to my Instagram, or just type in Jamaica_verse_gamer. Reach out and we can talk. So we have price for 1 video, 2 video, 3 video, and 4 video. So link up to get the prices and we can work out something. You understand? So let's get back to the video. Look. Yeah. Da-da-dee. Look on the plate, on the screen. Look on the plate, on the screen. You see, DEMARCO with him, and I'm glass and him tongue long out and dog at eat throat. Remember say the last song was called Dog Food, you know. So it's dog food. So we're here. We're not wasting no more time. Let me go over here, so. And let's see what that video you say. Yo, me love why you fuck. We gonna be 2 artists there. Let's go. I'm sure me like no pussy. Me live for me, but no, me can't. No pussy, batty boy. Hey, that's for that no boy. No boy, that's for that. That boy no one here. That me a shell. You don't know pussy. Your pussy face now miss this last scope. Bring this a rod, but like Christopher Cook. Put my phone back silent. Coming on about it disturb me. Your pussy face now miss this a scope. Yo! Aye. Fully Bad is not an artist. Not because you would have him as the younger artist for DEMARCO. Don't feel say Fully Bad nobody no bro. Fully Bad terribly in a dog. We see him going with the unruly clash, you know. And we see where brother he's fearless. DEMARCO bad too. 2 bad artists are going to Ready? Your pussy face now miss this last scope. Bring this a rod, but like Christopher Cook. Every highness a grease on the engine alone. But like Christopher Cook doing research. If you don't know who Christopher Cook is by now, come on, I do us. Christopher Cook does us. So man say, yo, I'm a bad like Christopher Cook. Tivoli badness, West Kingston badness. Cook bring this a rod, but like Christopher Cook. Every highness a grease on the engine alone. And then they gonna bust a PUBG in your phone. Yeah, everything you so grease and an engine alone, so every gun well oiled down, well ready for the road. None now go jam, none now go stick when we go outside. But here what go on now. The only gun where you have, boss bro, the only gun where you have a PUBG you are playing on your phone. PUBG, Free Fire, and maybe Call of Duty. Mobile. Yeah, bomb clock. Your pussy face now miss this last scope. Bring this a rod, but like Christopher Cook. Every highness a grease on the engine alone. And then they gonna bust a PUBG in your phone. Yeah, man. Fuck mouth Marco, watch too much porn. When we a bleach with this that till it change my skin tone. Fuck mouth Nago. No. Fuck mouth what am I say? Fuck mouth Marco or Narco? What am I say? Fuck mouth Marco, watch too much porn when Narco. Fuck what Narco? What's that DEMARCO? Change your name. Fuck what Narco. Yo, what?
And then they gonna bust a PUBG in your phone. Fuck mouth, Marco, watch too much porn when we are bleach with this that till it change my skin tone.
Fuck mouth, Narco, watch too much porn. So him live on porn sites. Him phone history, him Google search history, full up of porn. And I be a freaky porn the boy I watch. That's what fully body saying about DEMARCO, not me. And him I say, yo, him bleach with this till him change him skin tone. Double entendre. So him I say, yo, him bleach, skin tone change, or him bleach with him thing, bleach with him strap, till it so him strap it become a part of him. Him strap, yo, that youth are wicked.
If I walk up the high and you so grease on the engine alone, and then they gonna bust a PUBG in your phone. Fuck mouth, Marco, watch too much porn when we are bleach with this that till it change my skin tone. Wonder how this shit got 59 clothes, one roll him up town and bust him head close.
Wonder how the shit got 59 clothes. Brother, like, I want to up town for this. Put one in your head, one.
Wonder how the shit got 59 clothes, one roll him up town and bust him head close. Big gun liar, shoulda keep quiet. Remember David Murda Goliath.
So you're a big gun liar. Man say you're a liar, DEMARCO. The man say him see up on Instagram and pose with that AK in your office. Lie that. That, I don't feel. Give out the people them things. Yeah, man say you're a gun bag, man say you're a fool.
Big gun liar, shoulda keep quiet. Remember David Murda Goliath. Renee puppy tail in your face till she tired.
Hey, because I say, Miss 6:30. The man say, Renee, puppy tail in your face. Remember, see, DEMARCO sing, puppy tail, what you get, a puppy tail. And that is, Renee 6:30 is done. So, he must say, yo, Renee, puppy tail in your face. Brawling.
Remember David Murda Goliath. Renee puppy tail in your face till she
the barrier. Me hear it, but me don't want to know if I miss it. So, me explain it. Remember, say, David kill Goliath. So, he must say right now, him a David, cause him a the younger one. Goliath are the bigger one. Goliath at DEMARCO. So, career, him a measure up there, so. So, he must say, Uno might have him as film career down here, so. DEMARCO career up here, so. Me still a go murder him up here, so. That's how he must say.
Quiet. Remember David Murda Goliath. Renee puppy tail in your face till she tired. Select the iron, reject the giant. Similar to
select the iron and reject the giant. So, DEMARCO the giant. Reject
tail in your face till she tired. Select the iron, reject the giant. Similar to Hyacinth Igloo. Rob and secure. In a badness and nothing we contribute.
Similar to ice in an igloo. Cool.
Hyacinth Igloo. Rob and secure. In a badness and nothing we contribute. You nah make no up, you no ever yet kill you. Somebody get fuck and I never prostitute.
Somebody get fuck and I never prostitute. Fucker. So I must say, yo, DEMARCO get fuck. Him never know, him shouldn't answer. That way, fully bad. I say, yo, what him go answer for? You shouldn't answer. He must say, yo, me not have nothing for lose. Fully bad. I say, yo, DEMARCO, me not have nothing for lose. Remember, I say, your career up here, so I'm my one down here, so the people them have it. So here what, me not have nothing for lose. Me go show you how me deal with boy. That's how I fully bad.
You nah make no up, you no ever yet kill you. Somebody get fuck and I never prostitute. Scope on the broom, aim on me shoot. Brain palm me shoes, chain and recruit, no fight war fi lose. Way that we choose, they a sacking up with the cape on me roof. 50 pound 2 standard.
My flowing up.
You no ever yet kill you. Somebody get fuck and I never prostitute. Scope on the broom, aim on me shoot. Brain palm me shoes, chain and recruit, no fight war fi lose. Way that we choose, they a sacking up with the cape on me roof.
Reading bad too, you know. Reading bad. Yo, big up the production team behind one. I don't know who, but big up on yourself. On our work.
No fight war fi lose. Way that we choose, they a sacking up with the cape on me roof. 50 pound 2 standard Glock, ya unusual, a brutal, crucial. We do human Uber true.
Bumbo clot, hear the double trouble them. Hear the double trouble them. When I say double trouble, I'm referring back to the double rhymes. Hear what I'm saying?
No fight war fi lose. Way that we choose, they a sacking up with the cape on me roof. 50 pound 2 standard Glock, ya unusual, a brutal.
50 pound 2 standard Glock, ya unusual. Bumbo clot.
They a sacking up with the cape on me roof. 50 pound 2 standard Glock, ya unusual, a brutal, crucial. We do human Uber true.
Brutal, crucial, human, you bad. What?
No fight war fi lose. Way that we choose, they a sacking up with the cape on me roof. Unusual, a brutal, crucial. We do human Uber true. That inna the DEMARCO face, the gyal them booty clap. Me go hot up round the so gun need a coolant.
Now DEMARCO face the girl them booty clap. Now DEMARCO face the girl them puppy tail. I'm going to up run.
50.2 standard Glock, ya unusual, a brutal, crucial. We do human who bad proof that. Inna the mark of face, the girl them booty clap. Me go hot up round this, so gun need a coolant. We full of tool, ya fuck mechanic, I the tool pan. Rifle more tool.
I'm going to hot up round this, so that gun here, I gonna need coolant. Coolant we put in a car, coolant, yeah. I gonna need for coolant. Then him move on and say him full of tool. Mechanic, idea tool pan. When them say tool, is not span or wrench and them thing they matter.
No. Too long could the belly of the pan. Proof that inna the mark of face, the girl them booty clap. Me go hot up round this, so gun need a coolant. We full of tool, ya fuck mechanic, idea tool pan. Rifle more too long could the belly of the pan. Ride up, kickstand, pistol, ching chang, zigzag, sing song, bandolier up inches. 30.
They got bandolier, they got swinchers, they got pinchers.
Kickstand, pistol, ching chang, zigzag, sing song, bandolier up inches.
Zigzag, sing song, bandolier up inches. So he might refer the sound of the zigzag to bandolier, to pinchers when pinchers are sing. Do no research on pinchers. Young ones, do no research on pinchers or open pinchers is.
Kickstand, pistol, ching chang, zigzag, sing song, bandolier up inches. 31 in other clip, ya no libra. Me close to this, I like Bob and Rita. Set an example, so them won't figure. So
the boss just compare him tool to Rita and Bob's relationship. This youth, why?
Me close to this, I like Bob and Rita. Set an example, so them won't figure. So we got the K, we full of stripe like zebra. Love you 14, but the tire speaker. Heaven and hell pack up in the Beretta. 10%.
Heaven and hell pack up in the Beretta. Heaven and hell they shot them. Heaven, you see that? When time knock it on you, you got hell or you got heaven. If he's a good youth, he must say DEMARCO good youth. Him been say DEMARCO a gun back, DEMARCO idiot, so DEMARCO a good youth. So heaven him a go. Him not got hell because him never kill nobody yet, him never do no crime.
14, but the tire speaker. Heaven and hell pack up in the Beretta. 10% a dance all of me nigga. Next 90% make you all send me cheaper.
10% a dance all of nigga. So he must say, yo, him cool with 10% of the artists then. 90% of them.
10% a dance all of me nigga. Next 90% make you all send me cheaper. Some can send a screenshot. Did and bust up your face with the 16. Mobile friend them for chicken. Fucking idiot bullet. And bust up your face with the 16. Mobile friend them for chicken. Fucking idiot bullet. Turn over fat fucking at the meat pot. Love chat. Darkins free. We a make bomb like Darling Street. Hot up them black like man in tea. Catch them group up like all in key. Brawling pre.
Catch them group up like all in key. You never see a set of all in key yet? Or them group up and have them different sizes on them. That the boss has said that, yo.
Darkins free. We a make bomb like Darling Street. Hot up them black like man in tea. Catch them group up like all in key. Brawling pre, the fat is sweet. That's chapter full of views, Rick Stamp TV. Marco have to get it funny.
That's chapter full of views, Rick Stamp TV. Big up Rick Stamp TV. That's chapter full of views.
The fat is sweet. That's chapter full of views, Rick Stamp TV. Marco have to get it funny. Buck up in the cross is me. Them know at the heart is sweet.
Marco have to get it from him buck up in a cross is me. Me a cross is me don't know say me a cross is Marco have to get
it from him buck up in a cross is me. Them know at the heart is sweet. What them know about Asian gun? What? Dark like how grab a step on lungs. Marco dead make it stay like suck. Me sleep in a bush till daylight come. Have two friends up on the same rifle. Watch how you call up grand spending on your song. You can't go a piece from your this full of bad. That thing they and put up on the stand. Boss man cut time couldn't better than pussy. Chase like girl, call man bitch, batty boy. Shot to shot people who no fuck man brother. Shit good. No boy. Brother. Run uptown.
Yo, first of all, let me just say this. Big up the two artists that me put on a show for me. So Fully Bad drop 2, DEMARCO drop 1. Waiting for DEMARCO to drop now to see what round 2 looks like. We'll take round 2. Only say take round 1 in the comment section again. I can't remember only say now. I see what comments tonight. Yo, this bad. What I notice is DEMARCO song them full of gimmicks. Him a gimmicks out fully badness. That way I do. Cause him a tell him say little picnic go bed, beat you, blah blah blah. But fully bad a chop, fully bad a fling gunshot over there hard. A beer shot the man a fling over there, brother. The only two little freaky thing me and him talk about when him a say when they 6:30 puppy tail in your face and your what him say? You vomit up G-string and them something there. But a beer gun lyrics about a chap. This bad, yo. And to show you how alien brain this guy is, him reply in less than 24 hours. The boss reply in less than 24 hours. And it's a video. He never answer everything what DEMARCO say. I would like him to answer some more things, but the track bad, the track solid. War is here. I like it. War is here. I like it, dog. Big up fully bad. Bad bumbuckler artist. Because, like me say, when me say he never answer certain things, where DEMARCO say a lot. DEMARCO say a lot where him could have answer, but he never answer them still. Him does no business where DEMARCO say, cause as a hear in the last, he must say, yo, the only part gimmicks. Him not depend that, brother. A gunshot him a fire. So them little thing the way I chat, him not go answer you about that. That's the way the G say. Yo, this bad, you fuck. This bad. Bad bumbuckler. Yo! Anyway, this time I'm going to leave down there still. If you enjoyed that one, I want to see more from your G. Leave a like on the video. Subscribe around there if you're new. And I will see you in the next one.